Answer. Give the first answer. Which figure of speech has been used in this line? Are you giving the answer? Okay. Alliteration. Why is it alliteration? See, F, 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 three times it is there. So consonant words, consonant alphabets are repeated. So it is alliteration.
सर रेपिटेशन
Yes.
नहीं है अगर.
Repetition is when the words are repeated, full words.
अच्छा वर्ड्स ओके.
Where had the traveler come? Then the answer will be given by Zenali.
Yes,
Zenali.
sir. हाँ सर. Sir, B.
Okay. Is it final answer?
हाँ सर. अच्छा अच्छा.
So do you all agree?
No, sir.
And what is the answer?
I think A.
Sir, ऊपर ही है sir. Answer C.
A.
Sir, C.
सर आंसर है.
Sir, I am right.
So I think answer C.
To a
A
dwelling in the
say.
forest.
Next.
Jasani, give the answer
Yes.
of meaning number one. Meaning number one.
ओनली ट्रैवलर
Sir,
वाला
कया
लेसन
lesson
के
છે?
बीजो कोई लेसन છે
Chapter 10, 11.
मिक्सिंग.
Hmm.
Sir, I say.
Yes,
Okay,
Jasani,
મારી
your
sir.
વારી
turn.
છે.
Sir, sir, you ask me only.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Last thing is answer. Last thing.
Okay. Second answer will be given by Gabrani Mehndi.
Yes, sir.
Gabrani, give the answer.
Talking trade. Sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Ali, it is your turn now. Are you there, Muhammad Ali?
यस सर.
Answer number two.
ऑप्शन नंबर टॉकिंग ट्रेड.
Sir, I say. Answer.
Okay, you can give the answer now.
ठीक है सर एम्मा
Behavioral
ले लेगा.
characteristic.
एम्मा ले ला.
Behavioral characteristic. Sir, answer is behavioral characteristic.
Okay. Why I gave the chance? Because I asked two. Yes. Mohammed, give the next answer.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I say.
એ ઉભો રે. બીજું તે કારણે
One,
બોલવાનું
no,
બધાને મોકો દેવાના
everyone, I
હોય.
will. That's why only I told you to write the names. I'm asking one by one. Whosever names I
O-
have checked.
જસની
Okay,
હું
sir.
બોલવાનું હોય.
Now,
Been
give the answer.
unprecedented. Never known or done before.
Okay.
તેને બધાને મોકા દેવાય.
Sir, can I give answer of fourth? I know.
Yes. Search.
Increased a very lot quickly.
Okay. Just the words were not in proper order. Increased a lot very quickly. Jammed. This answer will be given by Sakib. Sakib, are you there, Sakib? Okay, Mubin.
Oh, sir.
Mubin.
Sir, Mubin is there.
Yes. Mubin, give the answer.
Sir, which answer?
Number five.
Jammed.
Number 5.
Sir,
Yes.
I tell.
Okay, Mohammed Ali, tell me.
Act noisily.
So you will tell me the spelling of noisily.
Noisily. N-O-I. Noi. S-I-L-Y.
Okay. Yes, Mubin. Would you like to give the next answer?
Yes, sir.
Perplexed. Number six.
Sir, wait, I am thinking.
Thinking or voting?
સર હું કહું
બરોબર લર્ન નથી થયું મારે.
Sir,
No
can I say?
problem. But
Learn કરો, sir.
સર કેના છે
wait,
Sir,
you all you
confused.
got chances. You will get one more chance. Don't worry. Let
Sir,
him.
I say.
Sir, can I say?
No, no, wait.
Sir, I am
Let,
confused. Answer is also confused.
no, but let him see. This time you give the answer. It's okay. Let him think or let him find. No problem. Because that
Sir,
is how
answer is
you will.
confused.
I know. So I have written. But whenever I speak of the names, whenever I speak out, that names
સર
only have to give the answer. No one else.
સર
Yes.
સર પરપ્લેક્સ તો લેસન 11 નું થઈ ગયું.
So what?
સર પણ સિલેબસમાં તો તમે 9 10 જ આપ્યું છે ને.
9, 10.
મારા ખ્યાલ તમે 9 10 આપ્યું છે.
10, 11.
એને કેવું છે વાંધો નહીં.
And in grammar it is 8, 9, 10.
હા સર એ તો ખબર છે.
Now see, whoever names I take will give the answer.
ઓકે સર.
Yes, just running. Number 1.
એ સર આને કેટલા મોકા આપો છો યાર ન હાલે.
You will also get chance, don't worry.
સર હું
Unprecedented. Unprecedented.
Unprecedented. Spelling?
UNPRECEDENTED. NTED.
Unprecedented.
સર આ તો મિનિંગમાં છે.
Both. Rajani, answer
Second,
number
can
2.
I give?
Sir, this is right.
યસ સર.
Yes, Rajani.
Yes, second, can I
Yes, sir.
give?
Right here.
Wait. Second answer Rajani will give. Other
I
mute your
just
mic.
Sir, can I say?
Wait, Rajani, you give the answer.
સર પોરોડી.
A literary or musical work that copies a serious work in a humorous way.
તમારો અવાજ ઇકો થાય. આવે છે.
સર પેરડી. PAR.
બરાબર જ છે.
Parody.
હા સર.
Okay. Ganiani. Give the answer. Number 3.
Sir, can I give?
Ganiani, I said Ganiani. Ganiani, unmute your mic and give the answer. Number 3. Abdullah. Are you there, Ganiani?
Set there. જવાબ નથી દેતો ખાલી.
And Ganiani and plus
Sir, he is there, sir.
Sakib
Ganiani
is
is
giving the answer.
Sir,
Sakib.
can I,
Sakib,
સાહેબ
sir.
present જ નથી.
sir, can I say?
દુનિયાની વારી છે
First
તારી
mute.
વારી નથી. સાહેબ આવી
See, even if you ask me, I will not be able to. Sakib, give the answer number 3.
Now I say, sir.
Sir, can I say?
Anyone?
Your voice is cutting, that's why I'm not able.
Now give the answer.
I say.
Sir, can I
સાકિબ
say?
છો?
Spec. SPAKE.
But see, if you all will give the answers, then how will I know that others know it or not? So let me ask
Sir,
them also.
others are not speaking.
I know, but I
બધાની
want
વારી જો થશે ને તારી
to
વારી
make
નથી
them
તારી મત ન
speak.
થઈ.
If they will speak, I will not speak. Some.
Okay.
Some.
Now mute.
Sir, can I speak? Question answer number
Sir,
4.
sir, I say who are present here.
Only 2 are not giving the answers. Others are all giving. Ganiani is not giving answer, and
Sir,
rest all
I
are
say
giving.
who. Sir, I say who are present.
I know that. Musani is there already leave. Musani.
Musadi is there, sir.
But his ID is not showing over here.
Sir,
Sir, can I
wait a
say?
minute. I see.
તમે જોઈને કોઈ સોરને ખોટું ન બોલાય.
No, sir, he is not here. He is not here.
Okay. Ali Naki, give the next answer.
Yes, sir, Ali Nakki is there.
Ali Naki.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, if
Okay,
no one
yeah.
say answer, please tell me to say.
Sir, can I say? I am saying the answer.
Brani.
TURRET. Correct.
Okay, very good. Mohammed. Mohammed Abbas, give the first answer of FP.
Sir, I say
Let me check if he's giving the answer or not.
Muhammad Abbas. Sir is telling to you, asking to you.
સાંભળ્યો તું ઊંઘી બેઠજે હવે.
Okay, but now
તું ઊંઘે બેઠજો હું
see
હું તો
that
આમનો બેઠો જ છું
lecture
હું
is
તો આન્સર દઉં છું તારે
recorded.
ઊંઘું બેઠવાનું હોય
Behave.
સ્ટડી ઇન સ્કાર્લેટ.
Okay. Sasani, give the second answer. Ben was Doyle's university teacher and dash figure in his life.
I was studying so much.
I think it is your network
I'm
problem.
able to see your screen.
But it is your network problem, Sakib, because other students are able to see and they are able to listen to me clearly. So you can try and rejoin, or you can check your net connection. You might be in the bad network area. There might be many reasons.
I think internet.
સર એનું નેટવર્ક જ એવું છે, બધામાં ધીમું ધીમું ચાલતું હોય છે.
No problem, it happens sometimes. Mohammed Ali, will you give the answer? Number 2.
યસ, બેલ વોઝ ડોલ. જોઈ જોઈને ગમે આન્સર કહી દે.
But at least you will learn that way.
ઈ તે મેંદી
somewhat.
તારી ઉપર જ લાગુ પડે. જોઈ જોઈને દઉં દે. હું આન્સર જ ન આપું.
Yeah,
જોઈને
you
ન
can at
આપું.
home, maybe over here. But
Really?
at least I can make an effort and you will learn somewhat during revision.
તારી બિચારા આટલી મહેનત કરીને કરવાના, તમારે કદાચ જોઈ જોઈને આન્સર આપો.
Yes, Mohammed Ali, will you?
સર I say
Okay, no problem. Yes, Jasani.
influential INFLUENTIAL.
That word is not influential, it is influential. How do you pronounce the word?
Influential.
એને ગોતા જતા હોય.
Influential.
તારે કરતા સારું જ આવડે
સાચું?
સાચું
લાગતું નથી.
Influential. Do you know the meaning of that word?
Influential.
Yes, you should know the meaning of that word. Suppose if you want to use that word while you are speaking, how will you use that word? Without knowing the meaning,
ઇન્ફ્લુએન્શિયલ એટલે ઘણા વર્ષો પછી પણ તેને આને યાદ રહ્યું એમ.
okay, something like that. But can you just tell me exact meaning? Means if you want to use it in the sentence, how will you apply? Suppose you want to speak and you want
He
to
know
use this
me
word
after
influential.
10 years.
You know what? Students don't remember the words and their meanings. But you know what is the best way to remember the new words? Within no time, you can remember the new words. When you frame sentences, जो new words हम learn करते हैं वो सीधा sentence के साथ अगर learn करें, then that words will never slip out of your mind. If I teach the new words with the sentence, then you will always remember their words for a long time. Now, influential, if I explain in easy words, means जिसका प्रभाव ज्यादा होता है, जिसका असर ज्यादा होता है, that is influential. You are influenced by someone, means you get inspiration from that person, you are deeply affected by that person. Are you getting it? Influential. So in his life, whose life? Doyle, सर ऑथर कॉनन डॉयल जो थे उसने ये कैरेक्टर लिखा शेरलॉक होम्स का. Why? Because he was influenced, he was inspired, he observed his university teacher as his ideal, means he wanted to follow him, Joseph Bell. So he was influential figure in his life. So can you tell me who is influential figure in your life, means each one of you, like
Sir,
you are inspired and you admire that person. So is any influential figure there in your life? Person? Anyone?
તને
sir,
માઇક બંધ કર ને,
my
ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ બહુ આવે છે તારા માઇક માં.
sir,
Just a second.
Mara,
Just a second.
my
Yes, you are telling me something, Chasani.
sir, my network was gone, so your voice was cutting. Please tell me in short form this meaning.
Okay. इन्फ्लुएंशियल मीन्स जिस इंसान का हमारे ऊपर प्रभाव पड़ता है, हम उस इंसान को देख के ऐसा सोचते हैं दैट वी शुड लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन, वी एडमायर दैट पर्सन, we like that qualities of that person. That person is influential person or influential figure in the life. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So is any influential figure there in your life? I want to know answer from each one of you, and you can tell me the name of that person. See, it can be anyone. It can be any politician, it can be parents, it can be teacher, anyone, means whomever you admire and you like the qualities of that person, and you sometimes you hope that you also should have to become like that person. Anyone who would like to share? Who is influential figure in your life? No one? How is that possible? Some people might want to become
Sir, I
exactly
say,
like, yes.
sir, my father and sirs or teachers, all teachers.
Okay, that is really good. But anyone specifically?
સર માય ફાધર.
Okay, so means you gave that name of one person, so you admire that person. Not only love, but you give respect, and you really want to
સર
become
લાગે છે
like
મને આન્સર
that.
નથી મળતા.
Yes, Gabrani, you said something. I did not hear you.
I am not telling you.
So, Gabrani, do you have anyone like
Someone like-
influential figure in your life?
No, sir. I will be big on my way.
Okay.
સ્કૂલમાં ભણવાનું આવતું હવે સર પાસેથી કાંઈ શીખવાનું આવતું બસ ને તારા પગ ઉપર રહેવું તો.
Sir is telling you have to. I am telling Gujarati, sir. તમારે બીજા જેવું બનવું છે તો I am telling no.
Nice English.
I am not saying you have to become like
What
that
put
person.
to you, Muhammad Ali?
See,
Yes?
Gabrani, I am just saying that you like the qualities. Like અમુક માણસો એવા હોય જેની અમુક qualities આપણને ગમે. That is
Yes.
influential.
Yes, sir. Sir, I like Muhammad Ali bad habits.
Bad
I
habits
like
નહીં.
you so much.
Got
Very, very.
good habits.
What fellow there?
Okay, now
I don't have
we
bad
have a good
habits.
discussion.
અરે,
Gabrani,
બરાબર.
Gabrani, Mehndi,
I say first answer.
Gabrani, Mehndi.
Sir, I say first answer.
Wait, Gabrani, Mehndi, give
અને
first
કઈ
answer.
વાણી હોય હોય પણ તારી વાણી નથી.
Gabran Mendi.
Yes.
Yes,
I
first
was
answer, Mehndi.
First answer.
Mehndi ને બહુ પનિશ કરી હશે કા?
હા વિચારો છે એનો બહુ
Yes,
પરેશ
sir.
થાય.
મારી મને જોઈ નાખ્યો છે.
હાલે લે.
Like, પેલા કોઈ
છેલ્લા
recording
છેલ્લા
કરતો
દિવસોમાં
હતો,
કેવી
તારા
લપટી મારી છે.
Gabrani, your roll number was 1,
લાલ
right?
કરી નાખેલો છે.
હા સર
Yes,
એક
sir.
પહેલો જ રોલ નંબર છે વિચારો.
Hmm. the time you would be standing out of the class.
પેલામાં ઈ હલવાનું
Yes, sir,
But
છે.
you are
still,
right.
you are still
We are
highlighted, so
always
all the
right.
teachers remember you. Granny,
Yes, sir.
you always make us
તમને
laugh.
સૌથી વધારે લાભ મળ્યો છે મનીષ
I
દેવાના.
like it. Yes, sir.
Sir,
I like it.
full class no Mendy because he is always
Gabrani
standing
is
out of
Kapil
class.
Sharma. Gabrani is Kapil Sharma of our class. He makes us laugh.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. True.
બધો
But
time
it
શું
is
કહી દે?
good quality that you have positive quality in you, that you can make even teachers laugh
બે
even when they are
બોલે
angry.
તારી જે નથી બેડ બી નથી મારે કઈ સર ગુડ કીધું તારી જે
ઓય સર એવું ન હાલે હો. આપણને તો કેક જ નથી કરવું.
And Sunny,
Yes,
you
sir.
get
બોલો.
angry. You get angry very
Yes,
quickly.
sir.
સર તે
generally માઇક બંધ કરવા બધાને ઇકો થાય છે.
તે વન
One minute, 1 minute. First mute mic.
Okay.
Otherwise, no
સર
one
તે
will be able to
સર
listen.
Sir,
તે
my
વન
mic
ફાયર
was mute
વન
only.
ફાયર
1 minute,
વન
1
ફાયર
minute. First mute. Otherwise, if you all will be speaking, I will be speaking. It will be chaos, like that lesson.
ઇકો.
A room that नहीं क्या था वो? A bat that fell. So, Miss Gabrani.
જનરલી કઈ કહેતા હતા.
Yes, generally you should. This means I'm just suggesting you that sometimes you get
Sir, I
hyper
say
very
something.
quickly. See, when teachers scold you, so you get hyper, right? This Rajani.
ઓ હાઈપર.
So it will not affect the teachers or anyone, but when you get hyper, that it will affect you. So you should control your anger.
જનરલી સમજી ગયા ને.
And Gabrani
if
has that
I am
quality.
Kapil
He
Sharma,
always laughs.
generally is Rajkumar Rao.
સર યાર કારણ વગર રાખી જાય તો પછી બોલવું જ પડે ને સર.
See, right now
એને
also
લીધે શું?
you are getting hyper.
ઘરના friend.
Sir, recording is
Generally is Ranu
recording
Mandal.
is doing. Sir, record થાય છે બધું.
No problem. Don't worry.
સર નહીં મૂક્યા આજે.
At least you all are talking.
Sir, Muhammad Ali is Ranu Mandal.
Really?
Now, Gabrani, will you give
તો
the first
લેક્ચર પૂરો
answer?
થઈ ગયો હવે હું
What kind of detective did author Conan Doyle want to create?
I don't know.
Okay, Mohammed, give the answer.
મને તારી જે કોપી કરીને ન બોલે મને અમારે એવી આદત નહીં.
No problem. Now, don't argue over silly things. Now,
Sir, મહેંદી કોપી કરી
you
નો
should
લખે,
know
કોપી
that.
કરાવી દે.
See, you should know that even 8th standard is about to get over. Now you all are grown up, so forget all these silly fights.
તો યાર આ જસાણી
Sir.
Soon you will be in 9th. Soon you will be in
Sir.
9th. So be mature now.
Sir.
ઓ જસાણી
હાઈસ્કૂલમાં આવી ગયા.
Yes, sir.
એવું તો મને આવડ્યું જ નહીં.
Sir,
Okay, now answer I want.
સર અમે હવે હાઈસ્કૂલમાં આવી જાવ ને. નાઇટમાં.
Yes. Yes, I give the answer.
અને મને 12th માં આવી જાવ ને તો એ first
મારી વારી છે.
Mohammed, give the answer.
sir, I want to say something.
હા
minute,
સે
let-
સમથિંગ
let us
આન્સર
discuss.
આવશે ઓવર મને બોલવા દે answer.
Mohammed,
say
give the answer
something?
fast.
Arthur Conan Doyle wanted to create a detective who
Fast bolo.
solved on his own merits and what? હું બોલ્યો
And
મેને
You
તો
continue.
કીધું જ છે, ભાઈ. હા, હા.
મળીશ ત્યાં
relax.
ઓનલાઈન ઉપર મારવાનો છે.
Jasani and please
ઓફલાઈન
Gabrani.
કહું છું
ઇમોજી મોકલી દે.
Now mute. Let
Merits
one student
and
give the
not
answer.
through
બધા
the
મોડ કરી લે.
foolishness of the criminal Hussaini.
Okay, so you just missed one word. Solve the cases. I think you just missed one word, cases.
ના સર હા સર કેસીસ ભૂલી ગયા હા સર
Okay,
Sir,
now
can I say
Jasani.
something?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, Mehndi said na, I don't copy. Sir, Mehndi don't copy, but he બીજા પાસે copy કરાવે.
Okay, see, it is
Photo number.
good that you know each other's positive and negative points, but in front of teachers you should save your friends, right? That is the quality that you have to learn.
Yes, sir, I always defend my friends from me.
Yes. Now tell me the second answer. Second answer, will you tell me, Jasani?
એ સર બીજો વખતે એને મોકો ન દેવાય એટલે બીજાને મોકો દેવાનો.
Okay, sir.
Which publisher came to Doyle's rescue for second novel?
Sir, question number 3 answer. The Hound
Two,
of
two,
the
two, two.
ટુ દે
Question
ટુ
two.
ભાઈ ટુ દે 3 કાલે રાખજે. જો સર કોપી
Sir,
કરવા ગયો.
what? 2 or
Question
3?
two, I want. Two, two.
2.
હા
Yes.
તો નંબર બીજો દે ને કોપી કર્યા વગર.
Okay, sir. Which publisher came to Doyle's rescue and published his second novel? His
Yes.
answer is
સર જસાને કોપી કરે પેજ નો અવાજ આવ્યો તો મને.
I know,
Repeat.
see, I know that, but I am allowing because that way at least you will learn something.
એટલે સર એમ કરવું તો ને યાર હું
Revision's intention is that only.
અઠે કઠે આન્સર બોલ્યો તો ડિટેક્ટિવ કેટલા અડધો હે જો તાકો કોપી કરીને બોલી દઈશ.
Are you giving the answer? Yes, those who know the answer, I can give.
હલો સર હું બોલું.
Yes.
ઓકે સર હલો ભાઈ. Which publisher came to Doyle? Okay, hello. An American publisher named J.B. Lippincott came to Doyle's rescue and published his second novel.
Okay. Then,
Sir.
yes,
my network was gone.
no problem. Then number three.
Accidentally leave.
The
No
Hound
problem,
of
no
Baskerville.
problem.
What is the Hound of Baskerville? Describe its legacy in brief.
Sir, Baskerville તો
Okay,
Sherlock માં
okay,
લેવું
sir.
ને?
Yes.
What is the Hound of the Baskerville?
The Hound of the Baskervilles is a
Describe
novel that
its
received
legacy in brief.
instant and
Answer.
widespread
The Hound
praise
of
when
the
it appeared and enjoyed
Baskervilles is a
continued
novel
popularity
that
to this
received
This
day.
way, how will I
Often
understand?
described as a shining example of detective fiction. It marked the
continued
return
popularity
of
to this
Sherlock
day,
Holmes
often
after his death
described as
in
a
the
shining
final problem.
example of
એ તો સાની
detective
હું બોલું છું
fiction.
શું બોલા બોલો
Is
ભાઈ
marked the return of
અને
Sherlock
હું
Holmes
બીજો આન્સર
after
પૂરો.
his death in this final problem.
Okay, see, I am happy that you are all giving the answers, but you should know that during the recorded lecture, if someone who will see the video afterwards, they should know that if all are speaking together, then how will that student or the teacher understand that what was going on?
Okay, sir. So I say answer.
Okay, now it is okay. Now we will revise later on. I want to revise grammar in the next lecture. Okay, and next lecture, you should give the answers like this only.
Baskervilles
Okay,
in
so